channel. As you can tell, today you are going to hike with me. So yeah, I'm gonna do a little hikey hike, y'all. This is the first of many videos because I go hiking often. When you go for a hike, you get really sweaty, everything gets really hot, your hair gets really frizzy because I don't want to ruin a fresh do on a hike, okay? I'm going to hike with my friend G. This is his first time doing a hike, so this is gonna be very interesting, so much fun, LOL. You will see me do other hikes, you will see me do other hikes with other friends. Okay, y'all, so we just made it to the hiking spot and we have to do a little bit of walking to get there. There's so many people here, and honestly I was not expecting there to be a lot of people because it's Easter, but there's a bunch of people, there's a bunch of cars. G, how you feeling? You excited?
Oh yeah. I just didn't expect we were getting the same parking experience.
Parking in New York City is just really crazy, so he thought that because we were coming upstate that parking was going to be decent, and it wasn't. Look at G. He wants to see what it looks like in there. I bet it stinks. Oh my god, you're gonna use it?
I think it's good. Like,
no. Oh my gosh. That's crazy. Okay guys, so we are basically going to do the easiest one because we're not going to be out here for 4 hours, you would have thought, but we are going to do the 2 hour, and that is the green trail because yeah. So this is my 5th time doing this one, and honestly once you make it up like the big mountain part, it gets pretty easy. This is what the map looks like. Ta-da! So if you've never seen it before, this is Breakneck Trailhead, and it's really hard to like access these maps online for some reason. But they actually have QR codes, so that's helpful. And yeah, so there's different ones that you can do, like I said. So they have the 1 hour, the 2 hour, the 3 hour, the 4 hour. But today we're gonna do the 2 hour. So it's probably gonna take us 2.5 hours. So we're gonna stop and have lunch. Ready?
Yeah.
Did you use some hand sanitizer?
Yeah.
I don't trust the outhouse, y'all. Oh, this is such a good view. I can see like the trees and like the mountain, and it looks really good on camera. Okay, y'all, so we're starting the hike. OMG, look at this. Yeah. Ready? Watch your step, okay? Yeah, you can take it out, but watch your step. So you see how steep this is? It's steep, y'all. G has his camera. What? I was just showing them your camera.
Yeah, I have no idea. So.
Nice. Okay. Ta-da-da. It's chilly out here. So we are about to fill the barn. Okay, y'all. So there's a warning, risk of falling rocks. So, you see this path here? We're about to climb this whole path. It's really, really high. So, the thing about this trail, once you go up, you cannot turn back. You have to keep going. We're about to climb all the way up. And it's so windy. We're about to climb. So, you see the white arrows? We gotta follow the white arrows. Guys, so you can see everybody climbing. We're about to get to the top. Guys, I feel tired already. This rock climbing is not a joke. G, how you feeling? Tired? This is how far. We still have so much to do. Look at all this. You see the white arrows? We still have to keep going up. The wind is crazy right now for no reason. It's so windy. So windy. They definitely added this stuff. This wasn't here last time. They made these stairs. Last summer, this was not here. G is tired, y'all. He's looking like, what the heck? Oh. Guys, we are tired at this point.
Is this your like the real top?
Yes, it's the real top. We're almost at the top, y'all. Wow, look at all this. LOL. We're gonna eat some snacks and catch our breath because let me tell you, the second part was a little difficult. It was hard. You definitely have to have on like some good like hiking shoes, but I wore some just plain old Nike shoes because YOLO, we don't have time. G just pulled out an entire Coca-Cola. They're continuing on. Honestly, you gotta like rest. You gotta have like some rest time because if you don't rest and you just keep going, you're gonna like freaking pass out. But yeah. G is like, just act natural, just eat the banana. Whoa, look at this, y'all. I'm gonna go close like down. I think if we go down there, we might be able to get like a good. But there's so many people coming now, right? There?
I mean, it's like still in use or it's like abandoned.
Inhale positivity. Exhale negativity. Okay. Okay. 1, 2. So you're gonna hands like this, and then 1, 2, 3. Do we do it at the same time?
Yeah.
One more time, just to be safe. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. So this is the final product to our video. LOL, it was so much fun making it. If you want to see it, go to my Instagram at 12 Months of Destiny. Whoa, look at that bird! Fly like an eagle, flying high, fly. He's on cruise control. Wow. Okay, y'all, so from right here, you can see the castle. I'm gonna zoom in. Ta-da! So there's like a castle on this random island, and it's called Bannerman Castle, right? But yeah, so that's what I wanted to show y'all. Now I'm gonna zoom back out. Ta-da! So if you look, there's people up there. I think we gotta get up there. So I told you it was pretty. It's not the Grand Canyon, but it's nice. Okay guys, so we're finally going down. We were going up for so long. So y'all, these man-made steps. Yellow markers. So when we were going up, we had to follow the white. Now we're following the yellow. I kind of can't see. Oh, I can see it now. Saying to go around. Oh, I see. There's a tree. Just follow the instructions. There's like a tree blocking, but it said to go this way because the trail marker is right there. So we're approaching like a waterfall. Whoa, there's a lot of people. It's a good thing. I think like when you're hiking, it's always a good thing to see people because then you know you're doing something right. It's a waterfall. Wow. Let me just make sure I read that right. We made it! Jay, we did it! Oh. So we were all the way on top of this mountain. And I don't know if y'all can see the flags. Wait, where is it? It's right there. Right there. Wait, hold on. Where I'm pointing at, that's where the flags are at. That's where we were at. And we walked all the way. We didn't walk, excuse me. We climbed all of that. Just wanted to say, no matter how dark it gets, no matter how hard life is, there's always a light at the end of the tunnel, literally. You can do it. Just make sure to go ahead and like this video. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video. I would say if you've never been hiking before, definitely go on a hike because it's wonderful. It's just really wonderful. It's a great workout. You get to see awesome sights and it's just nature, right? If you have done this hike before, let me know down below in the comments. How did it go? What do you rate it? And yeah, I hope everybody has a great day. Bye.